Hey, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at XRP. I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure to always do your own research before investing money into crypto. So we're on CoinMarketCap, and the current market cap of XRP is above $180 billion, which is absolutely crazy. It's reached its all-time high, even broken its all-time high from 2018. And it failed to do that back in 2021 due to the lawsuit with the SEC, which is still ongoing. And hopefully with clearer crypto regulation moving forward with the new administration in the White House, we could have a lot of these older coins moving up. But with that being said, I definitely think right now is your ultimate opportunity to sell your XRP bag, reinvest that into more bullish AI, RWA, and gaming coins, and that way you can multiply your profits exponentially rather than holding XRP expecting a $20 price tag on this. And you have to understand, at the moment, XRP is not doing anything. If you compare XRP to something like Solana, Solana is the #1 layer 1 in the space at the moment. 66% of all transactions are happening on Solana. It's generating revenue. The DeFi and the DEX protocols are making more money and generating more trading volume than all of the rest of the chains combined. I mean, it is absolutely insane what Solana is doing. Compared to XRP, Solana is only a $123 billion market cap. So there's a $60 billion difference, and one of them is doing something, the other one is just going around in a bunch of lawsuits. So I'm not trying to crap on the XRP army and your huddle bags. I'm simply saying if you want to make money in this cycle, which is why we're all here, you have to prioritize projects that can generate more ROI. And XRP at the moment is sitting at new all-time high prices. You do not want to be buying something that's this high, nor do you really want to be holding something that's $180 billion market cap if you want to make those 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50x gains. But that's my little rant, guys. Hopefully I didn't offend anyone. That's not the point of this. I'm just trying to help you out because I know sometimes people like to get married to projects. Now let's take a look at XRP. And before we continue with the video, I want to give a quick shout out to my Patreon. If you're interested in getting more exclusive content, you want to support me as a creator, and you like what you're seeing here on YouTube and you want more, feel free to check out the Patreon. That's definitely a place for you. There's a 7-day free trial, which means you can get access to all of my content since the inception of the page. So that means you get podcasts, low cap gems, technical analysis, project reviews, and a whole bunch of other stuff. We try to do posts there on a daily basis. We cover airdrops and a lot of stuff that we don't really cover on YouTube because we don't have as much time. And of course, because patrons get more stuff and more content. And if you're interested in that, the link is down below in the description. Thank you all. Let's continue on with the video. We're switching over to the monthly chart on XRP against the US dollar. You can see the all-time high in 2018 on this chart for some reason is at around $3.80. So on this chart particularly, it hasn't really reached the all-time high yet. But we've been targeting this symmetrical triangle for a very long time on the monthly chart. We've been talking about this on our live streams, on Twitter, on Patreon, and the breakout price or the breakout target was, let's just redo this again so you can see why I was expecting that price. It was over here at $1.20 because we took the trend line from the point where the pattern was created all the way down to the support trend line, and then we place that trend line at the breakout point and we get essentially the resistance from August 2021. So if you took that profit and you took that trade, that was 143%. You could have rode all of that to the upside and then sold. But of course, from that point alone, we made another 180% to the upside. No one knew we're going to go that big that quickly, but this is what crypto is all about. And if you take a look at the monthly chart, look at the RSI. The RSI is already way past the 2021 high. and it's still not as high as we were back in 2017, 2018, which could lead to speculation that we're going to continue this uptrend, and by all means, that is possible. However, I do not expect this to get past, in the most bullish case, I don't think this can get past, $10. So at best, you're looking at something less than a 3x when you can reinvest your current profit and your money into AI coins that are going to be doing 10, 20, 30x. Some of them could be doing 50 to 100x, guys, if you invest into the right ones. But I do not think XRP is going to give you 100x returns. Now, maybe you're looking for something less volatile than those AI coins, and that's fine. You can go down the list in the top 20, top 30 altcoins. You can still pick out really, really good winners, but XRP is just not something you want to be holding at this point, guys. Look at the monthly RSI. I mean, there's so many signs saying that this could be our local top, if not the bull market top for XRP, because something else can happen and we could crash from here. But if you're not at least taking out your initial investment at this point in time, you're doing something wrong, I have to say, because you're risking all of it. You're risking your profits and you're risking your initial investment. So if you take out your initial investment, after that, it doesn't matter whether it goes up or it goes down, because you've taken out what you invested and you're essentially playing with profit. But if you want to hold it until it gets to, $500, be my guest, you can do that. But I don't know how many cycles it's going to take for XRP to do that, considering it's already sitting at almost a 200 billion, that's right, $1 billion market cap. So always keep those few points in mind when you're trying to make money in crypto. And the weekly stochastic, or rather the monthly stochastic, is again in this overbought area that we have been in before in July 2023 and in May 2017. We didn't even get overbought in 2021 and 2020. So this is another red signal telling us that it potentially is signaling to us that the party is coming to an end for XRP. Again, we might have a bullish announcement again from the SEC, and we might have another pump to like $4 or $5 on XRP. But how much more are you expecting from XRP at this point in time, guys? You have to be realistic and you have to be conservative. The MACD is already getting overextended like it did back in 2017, like it did back in 2021, but not to, this was to a lesser extent back in the last cycle because of the SEC lawsuit. However, right now, the MACD is just giving us an overextended signal, or signaling us to us that the price is overextended. If we take a look at the monthly 20 EMA, you can see that the price is very overextended from there, even away from the 10 EMA, which is the blue line that I just added. It's even overextended from that point. So you can decide what you want to do. I just gave you a breakdown of the price action chart and my opinion on what I'm expecting from XRP. But let me know, what are your expectations? Do you agree with my thesis, or do you have something else to add? Do you disagree? Let me know down below in the comments. Stay safe, everyone, and goodbye.